while shopping, I discovered there is puff puff mix. So this one, I decided to try it. It's just add water and you move on with your life. Oh my word, isn't that easy? So let's try it. Follow me as I try it for the very first time. So this is 1 pack of it. So I cut it, I poured it in my bowl to mix it. So I also discovered that not just they're like 2 packs in one, and based on that, you need to know what quantity of water you should use, right? Whether you should add like 1 cup of water in 1 pack for 1 pack or 2 packs, you don't know. So I'm measuring it right now. So to measure it, so this is 2 cups of puff puff mix. Now from the instruction on the pack, so 2 cups equal to 1 cup of water. So that's why I'm trying it. So I put a little bit for the first time and then mix it properly. So mix it properly to avoid lumps, right? So while I was mixing, I noticed that it was too thick, it's water. I added the next batch of the water. Again, like not everything, just because it's the first time, I didn't want to like ruin it. So I tried again. I noticed that it was still very, 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 very thick. So I just make sure I added everything, like 1 cup of water into 2 cups of puff puff mix. So that's what I did. So I added the rest of the water just to make sure I followed the instruction, and that was it. So I mixed it thoroughly until I got the right consistency, and then this is the final product. Well, I'm not too happy about it, right? I felt it was too watery based compared to the puff puff I normally make myself, right? But anyways, let's continue and see the final product. So this is what it looks like. Then afterwards, I covered it to rise for 1 hour. I put it in a warm oven. Then I poured my oil in my frying pan. Then it's now 1 hour. So I opened my oven and brought out the puff puff mix. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, I can see that it has risen. After 1 hour, let me show you what it looks like. So I opened the cover and then I dug into it with my spoon to fill it. So that's how it looks like this way. So I mixed it all to remove the air bubbles from the mixture. Okay, so next was to fry it. So watch me while I fry it. As soon as the oil became hot, I started frying. So let's go, watch me. Wow, it's almost ready. I've done everything now. I'm scooping it out. Oh my god, it turned that nice. I was just craving for puff puff today, so that's why I bought it. Can you just imagine? Okay, so finally, it didn't really fail me. You know, I was worried the first time because of the mixture, but what do you think? Like and subscribe.